Hello my friends, Bergeron from Inaxsys here. Today I want to do a tutorial that will explain how to install the new Protege GX extended services. Okay, so this includes a whole list of new services that can run in the background to help speed things up, I guess, in a way. Also, this brings the new Protege GX web app. Okay, so as you know, previously we've had the Protege GX SOAP service, we've had the Protege GX web client, all right, and now we're adding another layer, which is the Protege GX web app. Okay, so this app is, and again, I don't know everything about what's coming with ICT and so on, but this is basically like the next level of Protege web integration, and it's designed to simplify and make the system more user-friendly in terms of managing users, doing the end-user stuff. So my understanding is there's going to be an interface for end users and also another interface for integrator. But I think right now it's mostly the end-user programming that we can find in there. Okay, so to deploy this web app and the other extended services, we have to make sure that we're using SOAP, and the latest version is 1.700. And this enforces, like we said in the previous video, it enforces TLS 1.2. Okay, so if you're migrating from an older version of GX and you didn't install GX as TLX, when you upgrade to the latest version, it will enable TLS 1.2 for you, and then you have to reinstall SOAP to bring SOAP to TLS as well. Okay, there's also the web service, if the client wants to keep on using it. But what we're going to install now is the extended services, deployment. Okay. Yes. So we go to the default path. There it exists because I've been doing testing. Now it's extracting files. So basically, while it's installing, what I did in my GX system here is I created an operator, gave it a name, a complex password that meets the new software password requirements, and I gave it an email address. Okay, so that's important. Now, if I go back to the installer, setting up the Postgres database. You see there's 12 services in total. This is fairly new to me as well. I mean, I know there's an event service, and then basically I'm going to show you there's a tool to make sure all the services are running before you can launch the application. So you see this is trying to load, it's port 8083 HTTPS by default, and finish the setup. And if I go here, there's an admin tool that we can run. Looks like some services are not running yet, so you see I can start them. Some are already running. So events, licensing, reporting, web UI is already running. Won't take long. And if there's any issues, you can see the activity log at the bottom and provide it to our tech support team. Okay, perfect. So everything is running. I can minimize this, and then we go here. If we refresh the page, I should get to the login screen if all goes well. Perfect. So in this case, what I did is the username is this. You're going to need the Windows authentication app. So you can use, I believe you can use Google or Microsoft. I'll use Microsoft for the exercise. And I'm going to type my password, sign in. Okay, so let me just grab my phone. What you want to do. Is scan the QR code with your phone, which will add this to the list. Perfect. So you go next. Verify. Perfect. Okay, so now I want to re-enter my password to make sure it's complex enough. All good. Like that. Continue. Continue, you accept the terms. Perfect. All right, so this is basically the new interface. I'm gonna do a separate tutorial on how to create the dashboard and use this new version or this new web app from ICT. The goal of this tutorial was to show you how to set it up. Okay, so you have to have the services running in the background for the items you're using. You need to have SOAP installed previously, and then you can start using the new app. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Don't forget, we have a lot of tutorials online that you can use to learn our products and also discover new products from us. All right, Inaxsys obviously is the Canadian distributor of ICT products, so you can reach out to us for support and sales support. So again, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Thanks for watching.